Hey guys, it's Ann Crafty Kimchi. Welcome back to my channel. I am back with a little craft with me. I know it's been a little while and I have been buying. I just haven't been making much. I have no idea when summer vacation swings around. It's so much like things that are happening all at once. So I haven't been crafty or I haven't had a lot of mojo. But I know I purchased this collection, and this is the round trip collection from Maggie Holmes. I did collect some of the pieces from this collection, and if you haven't seen that haul and what I said, I like the collection. I think it is a nice travel collection, and I also refer to the Here and There collection from Crate Paper. There are some elements that I totally think that they can marry lovely, and I'm not stopped buying, so I need to create more in order to buy more. So I was like, before summer's over, I need to use up this collection. So we are going to make some really fun circle embellishments. Now I am using this 3-inch punch that I had in my stash. I'm trying to see what other tools I can incorporate into my crafts. You can totally use a cutting die. I just thought this was easy to kind of like look over the image and just make a fun embellishment. So I did put together some really cute embellishments, and this is my first one. I just love the little layering on it. I think it's a really fun collection. And then I want the shaker route, which I think I much prefer. And I did a little paper tearing, not like too crazy, just still did some layering. And I just love how these came out. Again, you know, we got some diamond dots here, and I just used a fun mix and then just went to town on the layering. And I thought we can create some together. I think it's a fun way to, you know, use up what I have. So I am going to take this little circle embellishment. This is a paper from the round trip, I'm sorry. And then I just did some little sequins, and we are going to do some layering. I took out some of my like arrows because I thought this was a fun way to kind of like give it that destination vibe. I'm just going to zoom in slightly so you can see a little better. I'm going to just grab my glue, and I usually use my hot glue gun, but I am not going to go get it, and I am filming in a different spot, so we're just going to make the most out of this. I'm going to try and use a little foam tape on this to elevate this a little. So I got this here, and let's put this together. Now, I'm not sure how everyone has been feeling about this collection. I know that there has been a lot of mixed feelings about it. I think it is a lovely collection, but not really super innovative or wow or different. So I did purchase it because, you know, it's still a Maggie collection, and I always feel like later on I might get a little bit of FOMO. So I did purchase some pieces that I thought I could use. I'm just going to split up the sequence a little bit to give it a little bit on both ends. I'm just going to stick this right dab in the middle, like that. And I do like to layer. I took some pieces of a map, and I do like to layer this on top because I think it just gives it a little bit of a fun layering texture. And I do love travel themed collections. I think they're fun, but I just haven't really had a chance to sit down and just create things. I do love this little yellow flower. I'm just trying to pull some stuff from the ephemera pack, and I do love the little pieces of ephemera in this collection. I think they're really small and itty bitty, which really got to me, and I think that's just makes it a lot more fun and easier to use. So I'm gonna go and layer this little flower right here. Should I put that in the back? I'm gonna just lift this up a little bit and slip this right in the back. Good thing I didn't use any glue. Yeah, just have a little peekaboo. And then I'm going to stick maybe this. Nope, I like this here. I'm just going to get my glue and we are going to take it from there. I'm just going to zoom in slightly so you can see a little bit better. And I'm not sure if it's just me or if other people have felt their mojo kind of go down, especially during summer. I don't know if it's the heat, but anyways, we're here now. Do I want to add that? I just want to see what other little pieces I have that I can add. This is a really little darling collection, and I do have pieces in it that I just find just kind of nostalgic. And ooh, I love this little stamp that I'm going to add right to here. Just like that. Cute, 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 cute. I'm trying to see if there's anything else that I can add to this. I do love adding a sentiment. So I will be doing so. I just wish I had a longer, bigger sentiment that I can add across. Just trying to see from the sticker book what else we can add to this little embellishment. Nope, nothing in here. Just gotta check the chipboards. And the ephemera. I do love the cut aparts also in this collection. I did spend some time. I even fussy cut, and I have a little project that I'm currently working on that I can't wait to show once I'm done. I think this collection, it does totally remind me of all the good summer vacation feels, and I just didn't want to let summer slip by, and I did not do anything with this collection. I just felt like it was a perfect now collection. I'm just gonna add that little lovely there. I wish it was a bigger sentiment, but we will make this work. I'm just gonna add some glue because these puffies are not reliable. They love to come up. They love to come up, and I don't trust it. I don't trust it at all. I'm just trying to see if there's anything else that I can just add. I kind of love that there. See the world. Let's see if I can tuck this underneath. See the world. Might just leave it or add another puffy sticker. And yeah, this is the process, you guys. There's never a plan. I always kind of just go with the flow. I'm just gonna pull out the cardstock stickers. I don't think I got the cardstock stickers for this collection, which is probably a good thing because I don't need it, but I want to add another little element to this. I just don't know what. Maybe this little arrow. Okay, I'm just gonna add this little arrow. Okay. I do love the little black and white elements in this. Just like that. And then from here, I'd probably add a little string on this little tag, just like I did over here. I like that little hanging element. And I'll probably add some Nuvo drops because you can never go wrong with Nuvo drops. And I'm probably gonna go and sit and cut some more die cuts because I am currently out of those little arrows. I think the arrows make it a lot more fun unless I can make one or pull from the ephemera. So let's see if we could do that. I'm sorry, this is kind of all over the place. Again, I'm a little rusty in the embellishment making process. This one is another shaker. I did double back this with the deco paper, and I did put a layer of acetate and the tulle on top. This has kind of been my new like favorite way to make shakers. So this thing is super sturdy because I have 110-pound cardstock in the back. Okay, so I'm gonna just see if I can pull something or the ephemeras from this pack and see if I can make another embellishment. We're gonna try to be inventive today because I am feeling really inspired to create with this collection, and I'm not sure if anyone else has purchased or looked at the new Parasol collection. It is so cute. I have serious problems. I also bought the Strawberry Milk collection, which I'm waiting on. So, you know, I have some major problemos, but they make me happy. And that's it. I think I'm done for the year because I need to be on a crafty diet and not feel the need to buy every single beautiful collection that comes and takes my breath away. The struggles of a crafter. Trying to see if there's anything else I can add to this. I kind of like where this is going so far. Do I want to add a little chipboard? Floral piece. Ooh, I kind of like that. Kind of like that. And let's see what else we have here. Or should I add a little chipboard? That might be cute too. I did do and prep the work. I did stitch some of the tags. I think I might like that a little bit better just because it has the details on it. And then, let's see. I need a floral element in here. I just feel like all Maggie Holmes just layers so lovely with florals. And it is the way to go when coming to a Maggie Holmes collection. I'm just gonna need a different little label thing. And I really want to find my mojo because it's kind of been a problem. You know when you go to a craft store and you just don't want to buy anything? You go, but then you don't buy anything and you know it's like, oh my god, I have a problem. You're not finding inspo to buy anything either. So yeah, that's never a good sign, at least in my book. I think this tag is getting in the way, so I'm gonna use a different one. Maybe I'll go with the little suitcase now. It's a little too big. Okay, I think I might do that. Let me start with the yellow one. Okay. And then I'm just gonna shake this out a little bit. Since I don't have any hot glue, I'm just gonna prep it on the chipboard and then just kind of put it together. I already took apart all of the chipboard. I think it's just a easy way to kind of do layering in my book. Because I never know where I'm gonna go with something. So it's just an easy way to kind of figure out what I'm gonna do. Just gonna glue this little floral piece right on top, just like so. just gonna add some glue on the back. And these things don't always come very easy to me, but I just think it's a fun way to use up some of the stuff in your stash. See how fast a table can get so messy. Okay, I'm just gonna add some foam onto the back of this airplane because I want this elevated. I do have different foam strips that are a little bit thinner, but again, I'm not working on my normal craft desk. Okay, that works. And then I'm just gonna add that. Cool. I'm just gonna peel this back. And I am trying to restart this crafty mojo. It does bring me happiness, but sometimes life gets kind of in the way. It's annoying, right? And summer is kind of my family time, so I want to focus on that, but also make time for myself. Okay. Oh, I like that. All right, so this is not yet attached, but I will attach it once I get access to a hot glue gun. I think I'm gonna add a couple of little puffies, or I want to add something else. Maybe remember, just right here. No, that doesn't go. Maybe right there. Ooh, I like that. Okay, I'm gonna add some glue. Add some glue. I do love how little this little puffy sticker is. And as I'm putting this together, there's an airplane flying over my house. Okay, and that is it, my friend. I'm just gonna glue this with hot glue because obviously there's acetate over here, and I just kind of feel like it's just too much. Sorry for the zoom out. And that is it for this little craft with me, you guys. I hope you found inspiration. Thanks a lot. Thanks for coming along with my I don't know, just crafty share of just what I've been up to. And that is it for today's video. I hope you found some inspiration. And that is it. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.